How to log out Amazon from all devices. So if you want to log out your Amazon account from all of your devices, then you have to simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar, you have to search for Amazon. And now go and click on www.amazon.com and make sure to log into your account. And now after opening or after logging into your account, the first thing you should know is to log out your Amazon from all devices. You have to change your password. That's the only way. So to change your password, you have to go to account, which is on the upper right corner, and then you have to click on account under your account. And here you will have a bunch of options. You can simply go to login and security. And then you have to sign into your account, like you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, you have to click on sign in, and then you will receive a code to your email address which you have used to create your account. So you have to simply go to your Gmail account and then you have to enter this code. And after entering that, you have to click on submit code. And now you will have a bunch of options under the login and security. And you can scroll down. You can go to the password option, and the right side of password you will have a edit option. You can simply click on edit, and here you have to enter your current password. And then on the next blank you have to enter a new password, like you have to create a new password. And then on the last blank you have to retype or re-enter your new password. And after entering all of this information, you can simply click on save changes so that your account password will be changed. And after changing your password, your account will be deleted from other devices, like logged out from other devices. So that's the way to log out your Amazon from other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.